Hi, I'm Chef Fang. Today we will learn how to make Italian pizza by using our friends Artisan Farina Per Pizza W300. They milled pizza flour in Thailand. They use high quality grain from US, Canada, and Australia. And we're gonna start doing the dough. We're gonna use 2,000 grams of flour and 1,200 grams of water. And we still have 160 grams of water in the squirt bottle. And we have 4 grams of yeast, 6 grams of malt, and 50 grams of salt, and also 50 grams of olive oil. The first step, we're gonna start with put 2,000 grams of flour into the mixing. One bag, and another one. And you start the machine with the low speed. Okay. After you put flour, you start with yeast. And malt. Mix everything together and you start putting cold water. It can be mineral or can be drinking water, but you need to make it cold to lower the temperature of the dough. Okay, so you start putting maybe half of the water. It is important to use cold water because when you finish mixing the dough, the temperature not exceed to 25 degrees. So you have to keep everything cold. You can even put the flour back in your refrigerator. And these need to be in the low speed and put a little bit of water. So you have to wait for everything is become like consistent, and then you start to add slowly water again. This is very easy recipe and everyone can do it. Let the water slowly absorb into the dough, and then you can add more. And now you have water in the squirt bottle, so it's easy to use. You can slowly add in when you need water into the dough, and you can check temperature. Now it's 19, so it's good. And then we're going to start adding salt. And water. So after we put salt in there, you go up higher speed and add a little bit of water. Start adding olive oil. You have to add oil slowly until it dissolves into the dough, and you can add a little more water. The water will help oil to dissolve into the dough and blending everything together. And now you can see the dough is very smooth. It's smoother than before. It gets smoother. When dough becomes like this, it means it's almost done. I think it's done. Okay, now we're gonna check the dough strength. You can see the flour is very strong. The gluten is very strong. And it absorbs a lot of water, but still have a very strong strength. So we just leave the dough inside the mixer for 10 minutes to get the dough relaxed before the next step. Today we are using Artisan Pizza Flour, professional pizza flour, fresh milled in Thailand. So now we're gonna move to the next step. by take out the dough from the mixer, put it on the table, and then you can fold it a few times. Okay, try to make it round and smooth. You can drizzling some oil. Do the bowl. And then just dump the dough in here. And now we're gonna film this. We're using the kitchen film and close it, cover it, and leave it in the room temperature for 1 hour. Here we are after 1 hour. Then you open it. You're gonna take the dough out. And now we're gonna divide the dough into 280 grams and make a ball, then put in the tray. And keep the tray in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And the day after, you take the tray out of the refrigerator and you take the tray of the refrigerator 2 hours before you cooking pizza. พร้อมที่จะทำพิซซ่ากันหรือยังคะ